Okay, get over there. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. This right here, recording this video feels so weird because one, I had to try to figure out what your background was gonna look like. Two, I can't remember the last time I sat down and filmed a haul video. Who, me, her? A haul video that features home decor stuff? Like, yeah. So this is gonna jumpstart our fall-ish, I guess, series because it's featuring candles. Fall appropriate, not necessarily fall titled stuff, but definitely I can see and smell fall within these candles. So let's just jump right into the video. So this trip is gonna be all TJ Maxx, okay? And I'll start with the candles first. I probably should have unwrapped them. I'm rusty. I'm talking rusty. Okay, so I got a cashmere linen, which is a sand and fog, the big container, big like that one. And it is orange, so it's fall appropriate, but it smells like fall. But it's not like, it's not sugary. More of a just a clean, fresh, cozy, powdery kind of sort of smell. Very fall appropriate though. And it's in an orange container. This was $12.99. So that's that one. And let's rip through the next one. Oh my God, this is fun. Sharon, do not let this become a problem for you. I got a free spirit, only because of the title, really. But then I smelled it and was like, oh, this is me in a jar. It just smells clean, fresh, a little powdery, more on the floral side, but I could definitely smell this fall winter months. So this is one of the manly indulgence candles that I love so much. And this one, in case you care, $12.99 for that one as well. I don't think I got a lot of candles. They didn't really have a lot of actual fall candles at this TJ Maxx, so I just went with my nose. I went with what my nose said. That smells of fall, autumn. And do you say fall or autumn? Do you reference fall or do you say autumn? Which one are you? Fall or the almond? Almond. Fall or autumn? Jeez. This one is autumn citrus, and it's in like a cranberry kind of a colored candle container. Definitely fall. It just smells holiday-ish. Holiday, cozy. Get your blanket, get your stew. Light the fire. It's cozy time. It's overcast outside. And this is the candle you want to light. Sand and Fog. And this one was only $7.99. Did I scratch my dang leg? Okay. The next one is... let's see, what is this one? Okay, this is also a Sand and Fog. This one is Vanilla Sandalwood. Vanilla in itself is fall. Very vanilla-y, powdery. Warm blanket. All things good food, comforting. Oh, this smells so good. This might be my favorite right now. This smells so good. Vanilla Sandalwood by Sand and Fog. You won't be sorry. $7.99. Do I have any more candles? I think I might have one more. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is Oak Barrel. Another one of the Manly Indulgence, $7.99. And it smells like... Okay, listen. Oak Barrel. Oak Barrel, ladies, is gonna be your friend. It's not too manly, but he in here though. Cologne, powdery cologne. He just got out the shower. That's it, that's all. Ladies, Oak Barrel, okay? Manly Indulgence. Do I have any more? Oh, wait, two more. Two more candles. I didn't get no whole lot, see? I did good. I did good, honey. This is Midnight Pumpkin. And this is what the container looks like. It's in like a navy blue. Kind of matches the island over there. All things sweet, dessert, definitely fall, sugary, cake baking, tons of desserts. I think I'm gaining weight just smelling the candle. This one was $12.99. And it's in a pretty little container with like some pumpkins on the front. Super cute. Super cute. One more candle, I believe. And that's it for the candles. And then I'll just show you the other little stuff I kind of grabbed. Because I know you care. I know you care. And I care that you care, okay? Let me know what you think about the background. Do you like this background here? I'll keep giving them to you. I'll just keep giving you different backgrounds. This one is Falling Leaves by Sensational. And it just looks like this white container gold top. Same as the other one. Very earthy. A little bit of powder. It just says fall. It's definitely a fall scent. That smells good though. Yeah, this one smells really good too. And this one was $7.99. Okay. That's it for the candles in this haul. But let me show you what I grabbed though. Because, okay, so this half bath right here, it just needed a little added touch, okay? So I found this, it is Ray Dunn. Okay, so I found a little Ray Dunn lotion and hand lotion and hand soap container. And it's just how I like it because this is clear, and then you could definitely tell this is lotion. And it just says lotion, right? And then this one says soap. And then it comes in this little soap dish. So if you don't want to use this, you can use this, like for regular bar soap. But I think this is perfect to sit in that half bath over there. And when this one runs out, right, I've had a backup for the fall. So when this one runs out, because it's still summer, and I just can't imagine decorating right now for fall. Like, I can't do it. Not while it's still super hot outside. But when this runs out, this one, which is pumpkin spice, will go into that container. Fall for sure. Cake on your hands. Yeah. This was $4.99. See, I'm rusty at this. I can't remember what to tell y'all. And then I grabbed two of these. This is a warm vanilla body scrub. This thing smells just like sugar. Brown sugar. Oh, it smells so good. And just looks like that. Just a regular old body scrub. Sugary body scrub. So I got the warm vanilla scent. And then I got this one, which is cranberry vanilla. I thought maybe Ron would like this one for sure. Oh, wait a minute. Is this the same thing? Yes, body scrub, okay. Oh yeah, he'll like this one. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like cranberry. It's very fall scented. Good cozy pajamas. Nice, soft, fluffy bed. You know, throw blankets. Oh, all of the above. So I got 2 of these, and they were only $5.99 each. And they're in cute containers, so they'll actually be cute to just sit like on the tub area with the little wooden tops. Super cute, super spotty. And that stuff got on my hand. Okay, so lastly, I grabbed a just a regular little notebook that looks like this on the front. That's what that looked like. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. That's your word for the day. Okay, so look, listen. Okay, I already foresee an addiction starting again. See, this right here, right, ain't been my life in this sense for a while, right? Now that I'm back in this space of being home and in a relationship, okay, I'm going back to my addiction. I feel it coming on. So I'm only gonna show you one in this haul because I don't want y'all to think, Sharon, we'll just put this over there, okay? Next haul. That way it won't look like I'm going crazy, but I kind of am. My cutting board addiction is about to come back to life. Okay, first of all, let's just take note of the handle, right? Look at the handle. Oh, that's just fancy. Look how much surface space I have with this cutting board to add cheeses and meats and grapes and strawberries and, oh, can't you see a beautiful cheese board being born? And having entertained over the weekend, I realized I need my things to do the most, okay? It's all in the details, okay? It's all in the details. I couldn't leave it. I couldn't, it's so fancy. This is a natural wood, well, obviously made in India, cutting board, and it was only $16. It is so fancy and so pretty to me. Oh my goodness. I love you. I love you. Let me do my thumbnail. Hold up, y'all. Before I forget, honey. Let me do a thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail, okay? That's what you're gonna see on the front. All right, and then lastly, I grabbed a calendar that's 2122. 2122, okay, yeah. Starts in August, which is perfect, so that I can keep track of these types of videos for you. And that's, okay, that's all I'm gonna show in this haul. Because I don't want y'all to think she crazy, okay? I hope you enjoyed a rusty person back in this element of haul videos, calendar hauls, and this life, just my life right now. Hopefully this video will suffice and give you what you need. A little bit of excitement, okay? And look how rusty I am. What is my end? See, I don't know how to end the video from here. I don't know. Girl, I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Don't know what it's gonna be. Just roll with me. And I'll see you back here, right here, or somewhere here on this channel, okay? In the next video. Hopefully you're having an amazing day, by the way. Yeah, okay. Bye, y'all.